Hamjambo wanafunzi, karibuni katika darasa la Kiswahili. Jina langu ni Jacinta. Hello and welcome back to today's Swahili lesson. My name is Jacinta. Katika darasa la leo, in today's class, I'm going to teach you how to describe a picture in Swahili language. How to describe a picture in Swahili language. Before we start, I would like to give you some few tips on that. Describing a picture can help you practice your general skills in a language, any language that you might be learning. It can be Swahili, English, Spanish, or any other language that you might be learning. Take an interesting picture and try to describe it in Swahili. It helps you practice your speaking and also learn some Swahili vocabulary. For instance, the name of the things you will see in that picture. The more you say the names of those things, the more vocabulary you get to learn. So describing a picture is a very important part when you are trying to learn a new language. So today I have one picture here. Let me just scroll it up. I hope you all can see the picture clearly. So we are going to try and say something small about this picture. So this is just an example. There are different types of pictures in different places that you can try to describe. So for today, we can start with this one. The first thing you want to identify, create some questions and then try to answer them following that particular picture that you have. And the first question you want to ask yourself is, who are in the picture or what is in the picture? In Swahili language, we'll simply say, ni kina nani walio kwenye picha? Ni kina nani walio kwenye picha? Who are there in the picture? Who are in the picture? Kuna nini katika picha? What is in the picture? Kuna nini katika picha? Nini, as you all know, is what? Kuna, there is. Kuna nini katika picha? What is in the picture? So if you are able to answer that question, then you are good to go to another question. Maybe if there are people in that picture, you want to know where they are. Where are they? Wako wapi? Wako wapi? Where are they? The word wapi means where. Wako wapi? Where are they? And then the third question, you might want to ask yourself, if there are people and they are engaging in an activity, what are they doing? What are they doing? Wanafanya nini? Wanafanya nini? So those are the three simple questions that I want us to use to be able to describe this particular picture that we have. The first question, ni kina nani walio kwenye picha? Who are in the picture? Or, kuna nini katika picha? What is in the picture? Swali la pili, second question. Swali la pili, wako wapi? Wako wapi? Where are they? Because there are several people, that's why I'm using wako wapi. But for instance, if it was just one person, I could have asked, ako wapi? Ako wapi? Where is he or where is she? Ako wapi? But because we have more than one person, we ask, wako wapi? Where are they? And the last question again, wanafanya nini? Wanafanya nini? What are they doing? So let's look at the picture one more time for a minute. Just look at the picture to identify from the picture before we can start answering the questions. Alright, so let's go to the first question. The first question we are going to answer. Katika picha hii kuna mama, baba na watoto wawili, msichana na mvulana. Katika picha hii kuna mama, baba na watoto wawili, msichana na mvulana. So I'm going to translate for you slowly. Katika picha hii, in this picture, in Swahili we just say picha, which is close to English. Picture, picha. Katika picha hii, in this picture, there is mother, mama, baba, father, na watoto wawili, and 2 children, a girl and a boy. Msichana, a girl, and mvulana, a boy. So you have tried to identify the people who are in the picture according to what you can see. Katika picha hii kuna mama, baba na watoto wawili, msichana na mvulana. That's what I was able to identify. I know there are other things. There are other things in the picture. We have a table, knife, I can see a couch somewhere, but I'm just focusing on the people for now. You are allowed to mention everything that you can see in the picture, and that will be even much better. I added by saying kuna watu wanne. Kuna watu wanne to mean there are 4 people. Kuna watu wanne. Kuna watu wanne. 4 people in the picture. And then the second question was wako wapi? Where are they? And I answered wako jikoni. Jikoni. Kitchen. Jikoni. Kitchen. Jikoni. Kitchen. And what shows us that they are in the kitchen? It's because of the activities that we can see in the picture, and normally such activities would happen in the kitchen, like cooking, washing utensils or washing the dishes. Preparation of food usually happens in the kitchen. So that's why I say wako jikoni. Jikoni, kitchen in Swahili. The last question, wanafanya nini? What are they doing? So I came up with 4 sentences. The first one, baba anakatakata nyama. Started with father. Baba anakatakata nyama. You can see baba is here. Baba anakatakata nyama. And what does it mean? Father is cutting meat. Yeah. I don't know what you can see, but from what I'm seeing, father seems to be cutting meat. Anakatakata. Normally the word cut in Swahili is just kata, but when you're cutting something repeatedly, we can say katakata. Baba anakatakata nyama. Father is cutting meat. And that's the sentence. The second sentence, mama anapika chakula. Mama anapika chakula. Mother is cooking food. Chakula. We can see mother over there trying to cook to prepare a meal. It looks delicious. Chakula kitamu. Very delicious food. Chakula kitamu sana. Mama anapika chakula. Then the third sentence, mtoto mvulana anaosha vyombo. Mtoto mvulana anaosha vyombo. The boy is washing the dishes. The boy is washing the dishes. Then lastly, let's talk about the little girl here. Msichana mdogo, the young girl, msichana mdogo anakata mboga, is cutting some green vegetables. I could guess it looks like kale, it looks like spinach, can be any. So we'd say msichana mdogo anakatakata or anakata mboga. And that will be how you can be able to describe this simple picture just by talking of what you can see in the picture, where they are, if there are people, and what they are doing, trying to explain different activities, helping you to learn more words, more vocabulary. Thank you so much. Let's interact in the comment section. If you can see anything else, you can say the name in Swahili. Asante sana, tutaonana katika darasa lijalo. Kwaheri.